Happy Independence Day, all of you. I am Advija Kanjila of Kendriya Vidyalaya Class 7. In this great occasion of Independence Day, I am going to say something on this. ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लहू देखकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना. Happy Independence Day. In this great occasion of Independence Day, we all should feel proud about this. But this was not the scenario 74 years ago when India was under the rule of British government. The British government ruled over India for almost 200 years. And with the continuous struggle by the Indians led by the revered freedom fighters, India finally gained independence on 15th August 1947. For the first time on this day, our Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru raised the Indian flag on Red Fort. Since that time, we all are celebrating Independence Day annually in every government organization, school and colleges. Everyone organize Independence Day event and related culture program. India once used to known as Son Ki Chirya, which means that India was full of resources. We had productive land with an ample amount of minerals and rocks. We were known to be the home of the largest spice market. The productive human workforce was one of our strengths. All this factor made the British government capture our country and use those resources for their benefits. With the help of the divide of rule policy, they slowly gained control over the country. The Britishers easily deceived Indians and gained control. We become slaves to the British government and they rule on us for a significant amount of time. After some time, few eminent personalities like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh prominently emerged as the leader who inspired everybody about India's scenario and how it is crucial to fight back for their rights. Many freedom fighters' struggle took place and everybody actively participated in it. All those led to the fruitful result of free and independent nation. Once more I am saying Happy Independence Day to all of you. We shall feel proud of this. And at last I want to say some line of Subhash Chandra Bose. One individual may die for idea, but that idea will, after his death, insert itself in 1,000 lives. Thank you, that's all, and Happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind.